Towns with Heart Inc. is a not-for-profit community association that are passionate about delivering quality projects and initiatives which enhance and benefit Kurri Kurri and its region in the Hunter region of New South Wales. Through a variety of community-based initiatives, including the Mural Project, the Kurri Kurri Nostalgia Festival, the Visitor Information Centre and Gift Gallery, the Towns with Heart Inc. have lifted the region's profile and have encouraged thousands of national and international visitors to the region while creating and sustaining community morale. Towns with Heart Inc. are active in volunteering recruiting initiatives through community presentations and media exposure within the region. Towns with Heart Inc. ensure a prominent presence in the community by attending other community group meetings, setting up displays at market days and speaking at Rotary and Business Chamber meetings to increase community awareness and encourage participation in up-and-coming community projects. Congratulations finalist for the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries Community of the Year. Population over 15,000 award.